Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Amazon employee account on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your Amazon employee account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in account.amazon.jobs like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Amazon employee login like this on the Google itself and hit enter. And you can see on the first result of Google there is the account.amazon.jobs. Click over there, and on the first page we are on the sign in page of the Amazon jobs, whereas the second page is also the same one, but it was from the Google Chrome. So let's close one of these. Now to log into your employee account, simply click on login with Amazon or Google. If you had signed up for Amazon.jobs with is Amazon or your Google account, or if you had signed up to directly Amazon jobs with your job category and you have the email address of your Amazon.jobs, simply click over here and enter your Amazon.jobs email address over here, and after that click on continue. And on the next step you will be required to enter your password over there, and after that you'll be able to log into your Amazon jobs account. Or if you have not yet created an account on Amazon.jobs, or if you want to sign up for the or if you want to sign up for the Amazon as an employee, simply click on create one and you'll be taken to the sign up process of the Amazon jobs, where you'll be required to give some specifications about your jobs and more things. And there guys, this is how you log into your Amazon employee account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.